talk about rice. This one is sticky rice, okay? So when we're talking about rice at the beginning, remember I talked to you about fluffy and sticky rice, the two main types of rice. I know that's an oversimplification of it all, but please just relax and just follow me on these steps. So sticky rice, remember starch is the thing that makes rice sticky. Some types of rice have more starch in them, therefore make them stickier and have other purposes. So if we was to talk about like sushi rice, the rice that is used for sushi is obviously very, very sticky. As you can tell, I'm just repeating everything that I'm just saying, but bear with. So the properties of it are that you cook it, the starch leaks out, it's the type of rice and it becomes very sticky and you can form it into lovely little cubes and it will hold its shape, unlike a basmati or something like that, which is on the fluffy variety. Now, where my mind really wanders is when we talk about risotto rice. So, arborio, those kind of rices like that are used for risotto because when you cook them in stock and you agitate them, the starch comes out, which helps create this wonderful, beautiful, creamy sauce. If you was to do it, like I keep saying, with the basmati or something, you stir it, you won't get this beautiful, glossy and grain-like texture because by the time the basmati is leached out enough starch, it will fall apart and it will become mush. So these ingredients have a bit more of a singular grain to them, and they'll hold their bites but also give you this wonderful sort of creamy starchiness. So a paella is also another example of a wonderful sort of like sticky rice that will kind of bind together and give you a great sauce. So that is the two main types of rice. It is a bit of a minefield rice, so just make sure you buy the one for the purpose that you're wanting to use for. There's also other ones that are kind of like, I'd almost say like a combination of the two, where you have like a Thai sticky rice, where it is almost fluffy, but then it's also very sticky. So it's just a personal preference to where you want to go, how you want to use it, and that kind of thing. But like I said, sticky and fluffy are the two main types, and that's all you need to know. All right, bye.